Zombie apocalypse.
So what's up guys, welcome to a new video of Tech Duos. My name is Troy and today I'll be unboxing a new product which is i7s TWS, which is a complete clone version of Apple AirPods. And I will discuss the whole function of these AirPods with you guys, and at the last of the video I will tell you whether you have to buy it or not and is it good or bad. So stick into the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video. So this is the box of i7s TWS AirPods, which pretty looks like the Apple AirPods box, and there's some icons over here: battery icon, calling icon, music icon, microphone icon, and etc. At the back side of the box, here there are some specifications like model i7s TWS, wireless version 5, speaker impedance 32, microphone sensitivity 42 dB, frequency 2.40 GHz, battery capacity 65 mAh or 950 mAh, working temperature 10 to 55 Celsius, input DC 5V, transmission distance 12 meter, playing time 5 to 6 hours, charging time 1 to 2 hours, standby time 100 hours, and it is compatible with iOS and Android device. Wow. And it is made in China. So let's unbox it. So this is the main thing, the AirPods. Let's keep it aside. There's a plastic cover over here, then a micro USB charger to charge the AirPods, and nothing. So this is the main thing, the AirPods. I ordered the black version because it looks very nice, and the white version, all has white version. So the build quality is good according to its price range. It is made up of plastic, the full box, and the inside AirPods are also made up of plastics, but there is no magnet here. They should give a magnet here because it is very hard to open it with one thumb. So according to its price, it's worthy. So let me connect my AirPods with my phone. It's connected. So this AirPods fits in your ear very well, there is no doubt about it, and it gives you a premium feeling when you wear it. And there is no noise cancellation mode in these AirPods, but according to the price range they are giving you the best quality, so you have to consider it. Okay, let me first test it with any of Charlie Puth's song. I am playing Charlie Puth Attention. So the sound is pretty clear and the highs and lows are normal, and the mids are also decent. It's considerable from this type of budget AirPods. Then I played some bass boosted music mix and some of the best of EDM music. These AirPods are not good at bass, doesn't deliver the best bass and not the worst bass. It is in the middle. You can use it. If you are a bass lover, don't use this because it is a waste of money for you. But if you are not a bass lover and you want some Bluetooth earphones that give you normal quality but you are being able to hear the sound clearly, then you can use it. But if you are a bass lover, don't use it, as per my opinion. It doesn't deliver you good best bass. It took 2 hours for the AirPods to charge fully, and it gave me almost 4 hours backup. According to the price range, these AirPods are giving you the best quality, so you can buy them. I will give the link in the description. You can buy internationally and you can buy from Bangladesh also. I will give the both link. So guys, there's a warning for you. If you want to buy any real AirPods, so guys, as you know, many fake AirPods and clone AirPods are available in the markets. People are stealing the concept of AirPods and selling them everywhere. So guys, buy the real AirPods from a trusted shop. The shopkeepers may fool you by telling them this AirPod is 12,000, 15,000, 22,000 and all. So guys, don't get fooled. There's some similarities and dissimilarities by the AirPods. The person who used AirPods earlier, they don't get fooled because they know all the systems and functions of the AirPods. There's some dissimilarities like sound, Apple ecosystem and all. So guys, be careful when you buy real AirPods, and you can buy them. Its price is very cheap, man, very cheap. So thanks guys. If you like our video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and press the notification bell. If you are a new viewer, then please subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys.